What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Rich Mo, back at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to every one of you guys that's watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day, and today we have finally made it to Los Angeles. I came down to Los Angeles, had to reconnect with the homie from DownForceSolutions, the sponsors, man. They make the best aero kit, and as you see, the cars are all lined up right here. Super epic. So today I am super excited to show you guys that we about to transform my Mustang right here, this baby right here. We're gonna make it to a track monster. So we're gonna be doing, you know what, I'm not even gonna say what we're gonna be doing. Just stay tuned for this video. But before we go any further in this video, make sure you guys go down below in the description. You guys click immortalsociety.net and order you guys some merchandise, get some drip. God damn it, I need the support. The more you guys do it, the better and bigger for the channel. But anyways, like I said, we about to really vamp this car. There's a lot of stuff that I've been wanting to do with this car, and this is the best time. So we about to get insane and we about to get crazy with it. Check out the baby right here. So we are here, DownForceSolutions. So let's do it, man. This one right here is so hard. Oh my gosh. The DownForceSolutions cars are super sick. This is the owner's car right here. I remember this car from the picture. But let's go inside, y'all. Wow, look at this. It's super dope. They came to a different office. Hey, the man right there. Hey, you moved to a different location.
Yeah, we were right across the street.
Yeah, I was like, wait a minute. I know this is not the same location.
Yeah.
And I see that blue thing.
Yep.
That's just so sick, bro.
Thanks, man. I appreciate
Congratulations, bro. I'm happy for you, man. Your company's just going crazy, bro.
I appreciate it.
Big shit, bro. I'm happy for you.
Trying to do good work, that's all.
Hey, and that's what you do, man.
Yeah.
So I appreciate it, man. You know I have to come through. Every car I get, I got to come here.
I know. Third one, right?
Hey, since day one,
Oh, yeah.
For real.
Cool,
So,
dude. So looks like we're doing the V2 splitter, canards, and diffuser today.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All red pinstriping. You want red rods, too?
What color rods you
I
said?
do black, red, black carbon fiber style, silver, red, and blue.
Okay, I probably do. I think probably red, or I was thinking maybe a different color for like contrast.
You can.
Or
Up to you. Totally up to you.
it's funny because on the front of my car.
We can go take a look at it.
Yeah. So on the front of my car, I have like a little blue splitter rod.
Yeah.
Just that give it a different contrast.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll do blue.
Yeah, I think that'd be dope.
Okay.
And then yeah, I just have that banner on, but I don't know to put banners on. So
Okay. Do you want mine to go down below?
I honestly,
Or what were you thinking?
If I can put it,
just take this
take it
off?
off. You just put the one on top.
Yeah. We
Yeah.
can do that. Yeah.
You know what? Because you got red and white, or you already got the red already.
I got the red one done.
Okay, that's all good then. That's perfect. Yeah, I just take that one off and then throw it on top.
Okay. Cool.
And then other than that, yeah, man.
Cool, dude. Car looks good.
Thank you, bro.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
too.
hey, bro. It's sounds good. I just got the Pilot Sports.
Right, the compact.
Yeah, it's because I had the regular Pirellis and it just did not give no traction. And when I be trying to do little runs and stuff, it just.
Yeah.
So I just got those. Got hooked up $200 for two of them for the rears.
Damn.
$200 out the door, brand new, not non-used.
See machine now.
Oh shit, bro. Good shit, man. I'm proud of you, bro. This is dope. This is fucking amazing, bro. Look at this.
It's a little dirty
Jeez.
right now, but
Man, the legend, bro. The legend right here, man. The legend. But now I'm happy for you, bro. Damn. Progress, man. It's just the beginning, bro. It's just the beginning, man. You pumping out these aero kits like crazy.
I'm doing my best.
Like, seriously, like, I remember the last time I checked the page, like, thoroughly. And then I checked it now. I'm like, God damn, it's like,
Yeah.
man, it's insane, bro. It's insane. I'm proud of you, bro. Keep that shit up, man.
I appreciate it, man.
Hell yeah, for real, bro.
Cool.
For real.
Well, let me grab your keys. Bro.
Okay. All Alright, guys, so now I'm at the official headquarters, DownForceSolutions. They've been rocking me from day one. If you guys follow me from the Honda to the Lexus, when he did the Lexus rear diffuser, I was the first one. And on that video, he told you guys I was the first Lexus he ever did. We are here at the facility, the warehouse, where he makes all the aero kits, where you guys be ordering your parts from. And check it out, man. Come on now. Best in the game, man. Best aero kit in the game. And you know we gotta rock with them. We rock with only the best stuff. You know what I'm saying? We do the top notch quantity shit. You know what I'm saying? And he rocks. He man, it's just so beautiful to see, bro. Started this company from when met him. I think it was about 3 years ago or whatnot, and he's elevating. He moved to a bigger location. Like, it's such a good thing to see people winning and doing what they love, and it's just awesome to see this. You know, I've been rocking with DownForceSolutions for about 3 years, almost 4 years, so it's just a beautiful thing. And you know, we gotta get some merch. You know, I got my merch, but we gotta rock the DownForceSolutions merchandise. But I'm excited to show, I can't wait to show you guys how this going to look. It's going to transform the car at a whole different level, and we're getting rid of that damn Pirelli tire banner thing. That's just going bye-bye. Pirelli tires suck. I thought they was actually good. They're horrible. It's all about Michelin. But anyways, I'll show you guys once the car is done.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, let's go. Let's check out the car. See this thing, man. I'm so excited. It's been a long time. Oh, shit. I'm gonna let you go first. How'd it look? That.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Oh shit, I like that.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's lit.
Oh my god.
That is lit.
Oh.
Yeah.
What?
A whole new, oh, wow. That is
Oh,
nice.
shit. Look at the front.
Yes.
Oh shit.
Ah.
Oh, do you see this? Oh, fuck. Oh, shit, y'all.
That is nice.
You see this? Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Look at this. DownForceSolutions, man. Best in the game. I'm telling you guys. This is my third car. Man, this is... Holy shit, bro. Oh, my fucking God. Damn. Oh, shit. Now we gotta get lowered. We gotta get lowered. Carbon hood, everything else gonna come, but god damn, man. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this. This is crazy. All right, you guys. So now the moment of truth is here. DownForceSolutions is here. Check out the hat. You see the new drip. We got the new goddamn logo, man. I've been rolling with DownForceSolutions for almost 4 years now. We're gonna say 4. Been with DownForceSolutions for like damn near 4 years, and they done transformed my car. I'm excited. This car looks good. If you come over here and just look at this angle right here, fire. But I'm definitely about to show you guys, and I'm gonna do like a little montage so you guys can see the car. I'm fucking excited. DownForceSolutions, my sponsors, man. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much. You guys always come through. But this one right here, this car right here. So I'm about to show you guys right now. All right, here it goes. This is the new vamped Mustang, you dig? DownForceSolution aero kit. You know what I'm saying? This is crazy. You know, got to blend in with the whole society, man. And right now we got the DownForceSolutions banner, baby. You guys see that? The car is phenomenal. I'm excited, y'all. This is so badass. As you guys see, it's looking good, man. Oh my gosh, looks so fucking epic. Let me show you guys the rear diffuser. Damn, man. Oh my god, this thing is insane. Check that out. It's a little dirty right now. I gotta wipe it down, but man, this is beautiful. They perfected this car. It looks amazing. I'm excited. It looks so freaking awesome.